welcome back to my channel. So we are heading to Max Dwarka Hospital because my mom is not well for a few days. So we are just going over there to see. We are almost there. So finally we are here. Actually we are traveling from the last 1 hour and it's really tough for us to move from one place to another. I hope you can understand. So finally we are here. So first of all we just go. Finally we are here and my mom is with me. Let's go to the restaurant first so that we can have a dinner and please wait for that my mom recovers. So the lifts are usually stuck over here, but we are finally in the lift and going to the pharmacy to take the medicines because we have already taken an appointment from the doctor. Now we are coming outside and let's see that where is the pharmacy because on the ground floor there is no any pharmacy, so we are going on the first floor right now. This is the waiting area, guys. My mom is sitting here and we are waiting right now so we can see the doctor. And this is the area of radiology and imaging services like for the scanning and all. Today there are no more patients because today is Sunday and most of the doctors are on leave, but our doctor is luckily here. So let's see. Hey guys, so now we are going back to home because we have already so much time. We had already so much time here. Meet the doctor, then went to pharmacy, had some snacks and all. So the doctor has said that we have to come back after a month. Let's see the results and all. Bye. So this is a very beautiful place, you know. This really does not like it's like an hospital. This is completely a place where visitors can come and enjoy as well. This is the most beautiful place I have ever seen in So this is a very beautiful place, you know. This really does not like it's like an hospital. This is completely a place where visitors can come and enjoy as well. This is the most beautiful place I have ever seen in Delhi. And the main thing is that when the patients come for the admission, so they can have a rest here also because here is the biggest garden and you can see that. So so many facilities are available. The amenities is very wonderful. People come from their own convenience and have a wonderful trip when they come to Max Hospital. हाँ चलिए बैठते हैं। अरे सब where we can afford the medicines. I mean, we have taken only few medicines, so that's not that much costly. But the treatment is really, really very costly. All the tests and everything is really costly because you know that when we go for any treatment, it really costs. So we should not look for the high expensive for the lower cost. We must look for the best hospital in order to cure ourselves. This is the best way, and you can see we have a everywhere. So clean place all around and so beautiful place.